Um, Hi, I'm Lucas, and I'm going to do a review on the Thompson 1928 Chicago typewriter airsoft gun. In the box, it comes here. I'll show you the box. This is the box. It has styrofoam packaging to help it not get broken. Inside the box, it comes with the gun itself, which let me show you. And then here's the other part of it. Alright, and this is the magazine right here. Yeah, to get it into the gun, you just slide it right here. And then, yes, alright. The gun is mostly constructed of metal, except like the barrel right here is metal. The body right here is metal. The drum is metal except for a few parts. And then the safety and this is full auto and semi. You just flick it to change that. And then this right here is the magazine eject. Right here, you just push it up, and then the magazine just will come out. The things that are not metal is the front vertical grip and the pistol grip right here. Oh, and sorry, the stock. To get the battery inside it, it's powered by a battery. Right here, you just push this out, pull this back, and then you'll take out this right here, and this is the battery. You just connect it with this, and then, one second, let me do that. And then once you're finished doing that, you slide the battery into the gun, like I'm doing. And then you push the wires into the back. Then you'll have to pull this up again and snap that, and then it's ready to fire. You just load the BBs in. You load the BBs in by pouring them into the drum, there's a little drawer right here. You just pour them in there. Maximum capacity is 450, and then you have to spin this lever right here 9 times. You do it like this until it makes about 9 clicks, and then you just slide it into the gun, and it'll be ready. So some problems that the gun can have with it that have happened to mine. This right here, there's 2 screws missing, which makes the barrel kind of wiggly, and then with the drum, some of the plastic parts can break off, but those are really the only problems I've had with it. There's something I forgot to talk about. This right here, so it's a lever, but it's just there for play. It doesn't really do anything. And this right here adjusts the firing system. The firing system is a BAXS firing system, or BAXS, you could call it. So anyways, that's how it worked. I hope you liked my review. Oh, and also, this is the sight on it right here, and it is also metal. Thank you for watching this review.